Hello, today I'm in Renault Talisman. In this video I'll show you how to use voice assistant. In the beginning, take a look at the right side of the steering wheel and now press this button to activate voice assistant.
Which feature do you want to use?
Radio.
You are in the FM radio menu. Which FM frequency would you like to listen to?
96.7.
96.7 FM.
And that's basically it. There are plenty others commands you can use. All commands will appear on the screen display while activating the voice assistant. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.